legend already, I don't care what you think. And you can lose first place in the blink. I know what you're thinking, he's gonna be leaking. No, I'm a survivor, the last Mohicans. Rappers bore me, catch me posted on the corner like Hori, or dancing on a show like Maurice.
All right, so you made it to day 16, and now we're on the second half of my 30-day trade over or makeover, right? So anyway, a couple days or a couple steps ago, I told you to download a practicing app, right? And now I would recommend that for 2 to 3 days, you practice investing, all right? I know that seems so simple, but I want to make sure that I actually outline that particular step. Take 2 to 3 days and practice. One thing I want you to get out of the habit of doing is rushing or feeling like you have to do something right this second, because patience is going to be your biggest weapon, right? So take 2 to 3 days, practice trading on your practice investing app, and do that. Just trade. If you blow up your account, start over and do it all over again, right? Until you generate some profits.
I'm a legend already, I don't care what you think. And you can lose first place in the blink. I know what you're thinking, he's gonna be